Question 21. The diagram shows a fish tank in the shape of a cuboid. Okay, the dimensions of the tank are 50 centimeters by 32 centimeters by 20 centimeters. The tank is 3/4 full of water and sand. So what that means, guys, is that all of this water and sand, that distance up to the top of the water and the sand, that is 3/4 of the total height, right? So what that is going to be 3/4 of 32, because it's 32 centimeters tall. So to work out 3/4 of 32, I'm going to do 32 divided by 4, which is 8. I'm going to do 8 times by 3, which is 24 centimeters. So that's 24 centimeters high because it's 3/4 full. I'm just working some things out, right? Making a start somewhere. The ratio of the volume of water to the volume of sand is 5:1. And then work out the liters of water in the tank. Okay, so there's 5 times as much water as sand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this 24, because 5 parts must be water and 1 part must be sand. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to split this 24 centimeters. Notice I'm not working with the whole volume. You could do, but it's easier just to work with that length at the moment. Otherwise it's more complicated on the calculation. So I'm going to split 24 in the ratio 5:1. Now this time I do want to do that where I add the total parts together. So 6 parts is 24. So 1 part is 24 divided by 6, which is 4 centimeters. So what that means is that there's kind of 4 centimeters worth of sand. That distance there is 4 centimeters. That much is 4 centimeters, and this much here must be the other 20 centimeters. Okay? So that's 20 centimeters, that's 4 centimeters, and that's 8 centimeters, and altogether that makes you 32 centimeters. Okay, so because that's so just so I didn't go through that. So if this is 5 parts of 4, so 5 times by 4, which is 20 centimeters. Okay, so work out the number of liters of water in the tank. Okay, so the amount of the liters of water in the tank is that 20 centimeters. Let's think about the actual. There's kind of like a smaller cuboid worth of the water. Okay, and we've just worked out. Okay, we just worked out that this water has a height of 20, it has a width of 50, and it has a depth here of 20. So my total volume there is going to be 50 times by 20 times by 20. Right, 5 times 2 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. And how many zeros I got? 3 zeros. 20,000. Now, 20,000. That doesn't seem like the right number of liters. That seems like a heck of a lot of liters, because it's not liters we're dealing with. That's 20,000 centimeters, because that's the units, cubed. But the question asks you to work out the number of liters. This is a lot of steps in this, isn't there? So 20,000 centimeters cubed. Right, this is something you just need to know. This is again a piece of knowledge. Okay. Okay, so the knowledge fact is 1,000 centimeters cubed, so 1,000 little cubes, 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, is equal to 1 liter. So that's just, again, something you need to know. If you know that, then your answer is straightforward, 20 liters.